Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Cooking with Treats! Today we're going to be making a very nice and exquisite meat. That's right, we're making lamb. I can't take myself seriously. Anyways, got a nice leg of lamb here from Wegmans, 6 pounds, and we're going to cook that up today. You're going to want to preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you heard? And you're going to cook it for about an hour per pound to get it nice and well done. Like about the Wegmans meat is that it comes like pre-cut because they had to take the bone out. So now you can really get in there and massage the spices in the meat and show some nice tender loving, if you know what I'm saying. So after you get the meat out of the thing, this thing, you're gonna want to turn it over, pat it dry, get all that excess liquids off of it, and now we're gonna score it, and then we're gonna add our spices. When you're done, you're gonna want to look something like this, and you don't want to go too deep in the meat, but just enough to make sure it can get some even cooking. Next, we're gonna add some olive oil, just a little bit of drizzle. Start rubbing it down. Then you're gonna flip it over and do the same. Now it's time to talk about our spices. As always, a little bit of kosher salt. Of course, you gotta add some, adobo. Some rosemary. Some thyme. Will I ever get this thyme out of my hands? Some basil. And now we're gonna massage it in there. Make sure you get in all the crevasses. And after this, we're gonna add some freshly ground black pepper. And once you're done, flip over and repeat. And after you're done, you're gonna want to massage it again. You want to massage it real good. Like you massaging someone who's been through a lot of stress in the past year. 2020 has been a rough year for all of us, Just massage all those things and all those crevasses, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Make sure you get those spices everywhere. Now, on the inside part, you're going to want to add some goat cheese. I'm doing 2 4 ounces of goat cheese from Wegmans. So a total of 8 ounces for this 6 pound piece of lamb. After the goat cheese, you're going to want to cut up some fresh mint. We're going to throw that right in there with goat cheese. After the mint, we're going to just throw some whole things of thyme in there. And then we're going to wrap this baby up. And then we're almost done. So get ready for the grand finale. Forgot to mention this earlier, but you want to keep this little net thing because you want to close all that goat cheese, thyme, and mint in there. And you want to have the fatty side facing up. Put a sprig or 2 of rosemary on there. And then now we're going to cover it up and put it in the oven. Now, as a quick lesson for all your meats, whether it be pork, beef, lamb, or whatever, if it has a fatty side, put the fatty side facing up in the oven so all the juices and flavor can braise the meat and make it tasty. That's what you want, tasty meat. Make sure you cover the lamb up with foil when you put it in the oven. And now we wait for about 4 to 5 hours. Well, I guess I gotta go find something to do in my life for the next couple hours. Deuces. lamb is done. Whew, that's hot. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. It's a good looking lamb, if I do say so myself. Now, let's take a bite. Now that's Cheetolicious. Thank you for watching, and remember, let's stop going. Remember that. Remember, I don't even know where I was at. Remember, this has been Cooking with Kids. It's Cheetolicious. That's for sure. See y'all next time. Gotta eat.